Welcome back. I guess we should say welcome, Jesse, because you went public, June 2020?
We did, exactly.
None
2
of us
years
were
ago.
here.
Yeah.
And the housing market was booming. The stock went up. But since then, it's been kind of a collapse. The stock and everything tied to housing. What is happening with fundamental demand for the products that you offer, like flooring and alternative wood?
Yeah. So just to set things up, we've been growing at 18% for the last 10 years, and we use recycled materials to replace products on the outside of houses, as you mentioned, decking. So what we saw coming into the pandemic was about 16% trailing 12 growth. And then since then, we've obviously seen elevated levels. And as we look at demand now, we continue to see really strong demand. And one of the key drivers for us is really people's home equity, the comfort they have in the value of their homes. And so we continue to see really strong demand in terms of backlogs and what we're seeing on the street with our contractors.
Is it tied to home sales or refurbishing?
Yeah, in general, 90% of our residential business is tied to repair and remodel. And historically, there's been some loose correlation between how that acts and remodeling. But we've seen that separate as home values over the last few years have continued to elevate. And in our particular case, there's a real strong focus on the outside of homes. That's been there pre-pandemic. It's accelerated during the pandemic. And in our case, we're also replacing wood, which is the vast majority of our market. So we're also seeing a material conversion. So we've seen really strong growth rates.
So given that, are you surprised your stock's been cut more than half in the last year?
Well, I think as you know, I've been in the job 6 years. We were private for 4 years. We focused on value creation over those last 4 years. And I think, investors are going to have to work through what they need to work through. I think our focus is really on our long-term opportunity. We've guided to double-digit growth, really driven by our TimberTech decking. And we also see an opportunity by increasing the use of recycled to drive margin expansion. We've got it to 400 basis points of margin expansion.
You guys use what, 500 million pounds of recycled waste?
We do. 56% of our raw materials are recycled right now. We've got a target of 1 billion pounds of recycle by the middle of the decade.
Where's all that come from, by the way? Where do you source it from?
We tend to try to source really low-value recycled materials, stuff that doesn't even at times go in the recycle stream. So plastic bags. One of our biggest sources of recycle is PVC. And so we're building a recycling infrastructure for PVC to take it back post-construction, post-industrial. And so we're unique in that we're the largest fully integrated PVC recycler in the U.S.
We've talked about lumber a lot on this show, coming down from the 1,000 plus to the 600. I saw a target today for 300. Isn't that a risk that lumber gets competitive again as an alternative?
Well, I think for us, we tend to play in a higher value market where people are really focused on a premium. We've got a terrific value proposition. I think the way to think of lumber in general is the more lumber comes in, the better the benefit in general to repair and remodel. Lumber is used in our projects. It's used in general across housing. So we view it as a positive sign as it continues to support the affordability.
In other words, a deck from you might be part of a larger renovation that includes lumber.
That's exactly right. Our products are only about 25% of the cost of an overall build. Think of the outdoor flooring, and so of course it's an opportunity to replace it, but we see the benefit of lumber coming down, and I think it's a real positive sign as we look at the repair and remodel market in general.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.